Hey future timekeepers! Today, we're ticking down the seconds with Menu L105's super cool 60-second countdown timer. First things first, make sure you're at Menu L105. If you're not sure how to get there, go watch our How to Navigate the Menu video. It'll guide you right to it. Ready to start the countdown? Just press down on the joystick like you're clicking a button, and voila! Your timer starts ticking down from 60 seconds. Need to restart the timer? No worries. Just press the joystick again, and it'll reset back to 60 seconds. It's that simple. Done timing? To exit, just move the joystick to the left, and you're out. And guess what? With our Schogini Toys DIY kit, you can learn to make your own awesome activities like this one. For more amazing projects, don't forget to visit our Schogini Toys website. And be sure to subscribe to our Schogini Toys Instagram and YouTube channels for all the latest updates. Have fun timing, and may you always be right on the dot.